Welcome to a fresh new video. A thing which we all want to know is that who stalks us on our social media. Especially a lot of people want to know that who visits their Instagram profile. Well, in this video I'm going to tell you if there exists any possibility by which you can know and find your secret admirers, and if yes, then how to. So watch this video till the end for the complete procedure, and with that being said, yo, what's up guys, I'm Share, and now let's enter the video. Now the applications which claim that they will show you the list of people who visit your Instagram account and also the number of times they have visited you is completely fake. And the worst thing is, all those applications are paid applications which charges a certain amount for disclosing the viewers of your profile. And what actually they do is that they make the list of viewers on the basis of maximum engagement. For example, if someone is your close friend who used to like every of your posts and doing few comments on it, then that person will top the list of your viewers. Talking practically, it just shares the list of people who are highly engaged on your profile, and in the list you won't find any new name because it's not showing the actual visitor of your profile. Apart from all these application doesn't work without Instagram login, so sharing your credential and logging in any third-party apps like these can be risky too at times. The apps just pretend to work and show a list of random Instagram usernames which keeps on changing every time you open the application to make users feel that they are doing something. Secondly, and most importantly, these applications run the risk of being a major privacy threat as they collect all your account data as soon as you log in with your Instagram account. They claim that the passwords aren't saved anywhere, but on the other hand, they also claim that they're going to show you the visitors of your profile. Something around 2 years back, there was an application named Qmiran which used to disclose the list of people who visits your Instagram profile. And even in my tests with random accounts with that application, I saw that Qmiran is showing accurate data, or because of that reason only that app was suspended and it is not working anymore. Even Instagram's data policy clearly states that it only shares Instagram username and bio, profile photo and email address with third-party applications. And also the Instagram's Graph API, which was introduced earlier this year, is much more restrictive than the older Instagram API. These type of apps are available on Android as well as on iOS. Apps like Who Viewed My Profile and Social View for Instagram have very poor ratings, and there are several good reasons behind them. The first and probably the most obvious one is that the apps doesn't work. So be aware of using these apps. Now let's talk about that how we can really find our visitors. The fact is, there is no option on Instagram by which we can see the list of people who visited our profile, but we can know that who oftenly visits our Instagram profile. So there is a difference between. Apart from all these, in creator and business accounts, you can know some insights which include things like total number of profile visits, impression and a lot more. But the insights are also limited to the total number of any operation. They will show you the numeric data, but it won't give the analytics with proper name. Now once we upload any story on Instagram, just wait for it to come to its 24th hour, which means the last hour of the story, which is visible to people. Now we need to understand the Instagram algorithm. The list of story viewers is shown in reverse chronological order until there have been more than 50 viewers. After 50 views, Instagram then pushes those who interacted the most with the Instagram account at the top. Now here the interacted is not only limited to the people you have talked the most or with engagements, but this is based on the accounts who never misses seeing your story. Now on the other hand, it's also based on people you are highly engaged and the people who oftenly visits your profile. So in simple words, in the 24th hour of your story, when almost every of your active followers has seen your story, you can know and get an idea of people who oftenly visit your Instagram profile. Well, it is not 100% based on account visiting, but it can give you an overall idea. So the sorting of Instagram story viewers is pretty useful. Now the last and a tricky thing which can be done for knowing your stalkers is little complicated, but trust me, this is the only possible way. What you will need to do is to upload any story on your account and then add it to highlights. Once the 24 hours is finished of the story, go to the highlights section and screenshot the list of viewers. Now you must know that viewers of the story highlights are only visible for 48 hours. So in the 47th or 48th hour of the story highlight, if you see any difference in the number of viewers, screenshot and compare it with the story viewers. The new person will be your stalker. You can repeat this process for a long time for knowing about your stalker. So guys, this is all what you can do for knowing your account visitors in 2021, and also be aware of the applications I mentioned. And I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, if you like this video then please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, I am Devyan Sharan and I am signing off.
When I close my eyes, I see your face, a memory that doesn't fade away. I wish I could